Since so many kids are online right now, I'm going to show you guys how to get to a great resource and how students can use our ebooks. So to get to the library's ebooks, you're going to go to the schools, and pretty much you can go through any school. I'm going to go through Widefield High School. And if you need to get to the library page, so click on Academics and head to Library. And here's all our library resources. The last one is the electronic ebooks and Sora. When you get to Sora, basically all of the libraries in the school district have put our ebooks together in one place. So you're going to log on to Widefield School District 3. And you're going to use your school email address or your Google email to log into Sora. When I'm here, it brings me to my home page where teachers can post assignments. These are the books I have checked out and more. But I really want to look at what books I want to read next, so I'm going to look at this Explore. Under Explore, you can search for a book, but then on this page, it also provides a lot of different things that you can read. So one collection is authors can write books about their own voices and diverse books. The nice things about these is they are simultaneous use access. That means any number of people can check out that book at the same time. So if you wanted a whole class to read one of these books, they could. If you are interested in looking for a book under a popular subject, then you could look at the book or look for those books here. There's great classic reads that are also the simultaneous use access. This collection is titled Black Lives Matter and Anti-Racism Titles. If you're interested in coding, you can learn how to code or read a fiction book about coding. As well as if you're interested in nonfiction and more of reading things to do versus than a story, there's great books that show you all different things to do. These are popular books, middle grade must-reads. There's also a section on comic books and graphic novels, picture books that you can read with siblings or friends, adventures in science, including some Minecraft books. These are audiobooks, so you can listen. And these are audiobooks for kids. These books are all available to check out right now. These are new books, new audiobooks, most popular books. These books are popular for the Battle of the Books at the elementary school. Fun preschool books. These are books that are written in a foreign language or good for ELL students. Books for teachers. Looking for a great read, look here. More learning books, more how-to books. And then there's all books that are on the different Lexile levels. And the last collection here is for a book on home runs. But let me show you what's on my shelf that I'm reading right now. And then when you check out these books, you can open a book on your computer and click to the left or the right to turn the pages. If you need more help with the book, click right here and it'll show you chapters, you can bookmark, and all sorts of stuff. So if you need something to read while we're online, check out Sora and our online books.